Oh, heck! The rescue chopper's leaving!
Damn it. 5 minutes too late.
Don't worry. They're heading to the mall. We can catch them there.
Hold up, you can have this. Grab something. I got a feeling this isn't gonna be easy.
Reloading. Hope you folks like New Orleans, because that's where we're headed if you want to live.
Uh-oh, I hear one of those...
Little bitches, they taking me!
Oh, they die like anything.
Zombies whipping him up!
The fire's spreading, man. It's spreading. Hey, I'm reloading. Watch out!
Look out!
Reloading!
Here's a bottle of, looks like puke.
Grabbing!
Reloading!
I just... Hold up now. I got something for you.
I'm a reload.
Young, stop that shit.
Reloading.
Reloading.
There. I'm a reload. Thank the Lord this was still working.
Push the button.
Pleased to meet you. You can call me Coach. What's your name?
Hell, it's pleased to meet you, Coach.
Rochelle.
Name's Nick. Don't worry about learning, because I ain't sticking around long.
Let's stay together for a little while longer at least, okay, Nick?
Okay, when these doors open, get ready for a fight.
There's gotta be guns somewhere. Hell, I'm doing this right. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Hey, I'm reloading. We gotta get around this fire.
You want to watch where you're shooting?
I think we should close the door.
There's a gun
Y'all
store
ready?
on the way to the mall. I want to say we head and
First time in the sounds good.
reloading. Watch out!
Well, I'll be damn fireproof zombies. Reloading. Look out!
Reloading!
Think this do?
Reloading!
Reloading.
We have got to get over that bridge. Down here.
Okay, we've got to be getting close to that mall.
Reloading.
Hey, watch out! What is this shit on fire? Gotta reload!
Reloading.
Over the dumpster!
Sounds familiar. So that's a spitter, huh? I'm guessing
Fast, man!
Getting close to that gun.
Tana here. Hey, I recognize this. That gun store's just up ahead. Much better.
What are those guys doing in those suits?
Yeah, that's right.
Ooh, I choose this one.
Oh shit! Watch
Weapons.
out!
laser sights here.
Can somebody wait up? I gotta heal. That fixed me up.
I'm in a bit of a quandary, you see, and I suspect you're just the people to help me need the code. And I won't let you through the barricade until I get it. Now go.
Well, unless you guys got a better idea to get a barrier down, I say we do it.
You could try. I own a lot of guns, son.
Get ready!
Anytime now.
All right, man, I got the dude's cola. Let's go, let's go, let's go! Hey, I got the cola. Grabbing the cola.
Reloading.
Hey, I got the cola.
There's my cola. Quick, put it in the fire.
Reloading.
Much obliged. Now, go screw yourselves. I ain't helping you. Nah, I just want to see the looks on your faces. There you go.
Smoker around here.
Barrier's down. Let's get out of here.
Hey, that's got a bit of a kick, doesn't it?
I ain't never been so happy to see a damn shopping center.
Go for a jog at me?
Reloading.
Reloading.
Hey, there's the mall. We made it.
Come on, people, come on, get in here.
We made it. Cedar better still be here.
Let's go find the evacuation center. I'm already sick of this place.
Cedar's got to be around here somewhere. Let's find the keys up and get out of here.
Reloading.
Go inbound! Pistol.
Reloading. Down this escalator.
Hey, some guns here. Hey, thanks, man. Hey, can somebody wait up? I gotta heal. That fixed me up real good.
Make sure you use this now.
Reloading.
Boomer!
I'm reloading. Get the hunter off him.
Reload!
Over this door. Hey, I'm reloading.
Down here.
I got a feeling this alarm ain't gonna go unnoticed. We have to turn that alarm off.
Someone turn off the alarm!
Keep going.
We have to turn that alarm off. I got it. Here you go. Down here?
Burning goo!
yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah.
Watch out!
Hey, right up here, some of the refugees built a safe room.
Reloading.
Come on, y'all, get inside now. Looks like we're gonna have to get out of the city on our own. Jimmy Gibbs got my vote. Oh, shit, man, we missed him. This apocalypse started to piss me off. Don't you reckon we should move on? Man, I hate zombies, but I love crack. Man, this is awful. Well, if you're looking for ideas, look no further, because I have a good one. Listen up. You see that poster? It says you can get your picture taken with Jimmy Gibbs' stock car. Now all we gotta do is find it and gas it up, and I will drive it out of here.
Any other ideas?
Now remember, they don't fill up these tanks at car shows, so we're gonna have to find some gas.
As soon as these doors open, get ready to run.
Find a gas can!
Look out!
Hey, watch your back, jockey's right here. Boomer! Got a can!
Reloading. Oh, shit. Watch out.
Hey, got a can.
Oh, shit. This ain't gonna be good.
I got one. Hey, watch out!
Reloading.
Reloading.
This is, please get in the tank, please. I got this one. I'll be driving you real soon, girl. Come on. Hey, got a can. Come on. Get up here. I just 3 more.
Iron Scott Ellis. Reloading.
Anybody know who the race car guy is?
That is Jimmy Gibbs Jr., the greatest driver ever to climb into a stock car.
Jimmy Gibbs Jr. Yay!
That man is America's greatest natural resource. If the laws of nature allowed it, I would bear that man's children. Don't you reckon we should move on now? Man, this is awful.
Reloading!
Well, if you're looking for ideas, look no further, because I have a good one. Listen up. You see that poster? It says you can get your picture taken with Jimmy Gibbs' stock car. Now all we gotta do is find it and gas it up, and I will drive it out of here.
Well, it beats my idea. Staying here, dying in the mall.
Now remember, they don't fill up these tanks at car shows, so we're gonna have to find some gas.
Okay, let's gas up the car and get the hell out of this mall.
Let's get this car gassed up! Please get in the tank, please, 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 please.
You hear that bang?
Here they come!
Reloading here!
Smoke around these folks.
Reloading!
Hey, can somebody watch my back? I'm a heel. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Hey, got a can. Come on, hurry up, up. We need 5 more. Hunter!
Reloading!
Reloading!
For a sec, I have something for you.
I'll be driving you real soon, girl.
Charge you around, get ready.
Hey, if anyone don't mind, could use a hand. Hey, I need some help over here, Sergeant.
I got you.
Hey, wait a second. I gotta heal. Yeah, real.
You! I got something for you!
feel like I'm blasting up loyalty.
Reloading!
Just 2 more.
I gotta heal.
Look out! Reloading!
One more can do it.
Careful now. Boomer,